Okay, back on.
I like that, right? Making the backside look exactly like the front side. Looks good. It's tracing it in. All right. Now I'm going to walk you through the directions as you're filling that out. The directions are on the board, so I don't think that if I go over them now, I don't think that you'll lose anything because you can just read them to catch up. I've got a 7-step process we're going to do here. And it's going to be kind of fun. I've added something at the end that's kind of an experiment. I want to see how well you guys do with it. Okay, the first step. We're talking about these words right here, by the way. Look, we love them.
That's a big heart.
Look.
That's an ugly heart.
You're an ugly heart. You have a very ugly heart.
So ugly.
I mean that. Totally. So like this? With all my heart. Get it? I mean it with all my heart. Yep, just like that.
And now it's worse.
I don't like you. Okay. There are the 7 steps. Pick 2 of these words. Go ahead and pick them now. Go ahead and pick your words now.
Ooh, reaching.
Write the word in the center box on both sides. Write one word on one side. Write the other word on the other side.
So we gotta choose 2 words?
2 out of that list. There's 8 of them. And now let me also tell you this. I like to give students that want to do more because I remember being in a class that was going too slow for me and I got bored, I got aggravated. If you want to do more than just 2 words, draw a diagonal line right there. Now look how I do this. Let me go ahead and do it on the book. Draw a diagonal line through every box, and what you've done is you've created a spot for 1 word right there, right here. I'm shading it in. This is all the first word. So now you've got 2 spots for 2 different words on 1 page. Don't color it in like I did, but look, your first word, like if you wanted to pick complex, put complex here and region here. That's only if you want to do 2 extra words. You've got 2 sides. You can do 1 word per side. If you want to do more than just the 2 words, draw a diagonal line between each section, and you can do 2 other words. Because it's really not a difficult process. It's just if you want to do it. Yes, sir.
Can you put pagan up there?
Pagan. I don't even know what pagan means.
You don't know what a pagan god is?
Pagan.
Yeah, pagan god.
I don't see any need to put pagan up there right now. That's not one of our words. But pagan is anything that is outside of godly. Pagan.
What?
Sorry, pagan just isn't one of our words. Yes,
I thought the word pagan
So you know what
was
secure. Yeah, what about secure?
Okay. What's the difference between security and security?
Well, what does the prefix in do to the word?
It makes it.
It means not.
You're not secure.
So if you are insecure,
You
you
don't
are
care.
not
You don't care about people's feelings.
secure. Well, no, secure just means that you are comfortable and confident. Insecure just makes it opposite. In just makes it opposite. Like, if you are significant, that means that you really matter. What does insignificant mean?
You don't matter at
You
all.
don't matter at all. So maybe it's not a person, maybe like a book is insignificant. You get it? Get it, got it good?
Like that word.
So secure means secure.
Secure doesn't mean you care. Secure means that you are confident and comfortable and
Your skin.
I thought.
in your skin or whatever. It just depends on what you're talking about. Like, is a bank secure?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can be confident that nobody can get into it. Secure just means it's
So
safe.
basically, there's more than one meaning.
Yeah, there's more than one meaning. It doesn't confident. Secure could mean confident or poised or safe. Yes, ma'am.
I thought it meant like something is secure, like you're not able to break it.
Yeah, if it's secure, you're not able to break it. That's true. Like a security system. Ty, you remember? You know what a security system does, right? What does it do? What is
It
it?
protects your home or
Whatever it is, right? So security came from the word secure, so secure means safe,
Right.
or to be confident or protect.
Trash.
Okay, so you've got 8 words there. Have you already written each word in the box one side or the other?
Right.
Is anybody doing more than 2 words? Just
I did 3.
cool. All right. The third step. I want you to define that word in your own words. Both words that you wrote down. Go ahead and do it now.
What if you don't know?
Fine.
If you don't know, guess. Guess. And the way you would guess is you try to think of any other words that sound like that word that you might know. Just like you didn't know what secure was, but do you know what security is?
Mm-hmm.
So you know that secure sounds like security, so you can guess that it means something similar. Okay? Define the word in your own words. If you're doing 2 words, do both of them. If you're doing 3 words, do all 3. Yes, sir.
Insecure because it's got an I.
Insecure, yes, but remember the secure. Insecure is not on the board. It's just
I know,
secure.
what, does secure have an I?
Secure does not. S-E-C-U-R-E. I'm going to get a couple of examples of ones you guys are doing. So what word are you doing? Complex. What's your question?
Don't complex me
I have a question too.
Does complex mean you're pretty?
cold. Yeah.
Short. My short answer.
Complex means
No.
complicated, hard to figure
Oh,
out.
okay.
There you go.
So a lot of people like
You are very
look at your
complex.
Complexion.
Oh, that's it.
Oh.
Okay, you're talking about a complexion. Complex. A complexion is a little bit different thing. A complexion is like the quality of your skin. So if your complexion is good, that means that you don't have lots of, right, you don't have a lot of spots or zits or something like that. If you have a poor complexion, that means you might have an oily face or dry skin or something like that. That means your skin has something flawed about it. Maybe not flawed, just unhealthy.
I thought flawless means great.
Flawless doesn't mean good.
Flawless skin.
Or it means similar to great. Flawless just simply means you don't have any
But then you
flaws.
said flaw means flawless.
A flaw is bad. If you are flawless, do you have any flaws?
Mistake.
No.
So you are perfect.
Oh, yeah.
See, so flaw and flawless are opposites, just like great and,
Everybody
or
has
just like perfect and bad.
Okay,
Yep.
so like,
Does acquire mean the same thing as require?
Does acquire, now this is a great question. I think everybody should hear this. Does acquire mean the same thing as require? Tell me what which one do you know? Which one are you confident?
Require.
What does require mean?
So like you need it to do something.
You need it or you have to do it, right? Okay. That's required. Acquire is totally different, even though it sounds like it. Does anybody know what acquire means?
To get. Like,
To get.
yeah.
To get.
No.
Yeah. I could say to have, but acquire is active. If you're going to acquire something, you have to go and get it.
Yeah.
If I have something, it may have been given to me, so that's not acquired. But let's get back onto our steps here. Let's go in order. This order is very important. It doesn't work unless we go in order. Say it again. Yeah. Let's get back to our order here because the order is important. You gotta have the right order. Okay. You've defined your own words. Excuse me, you defined your words in your own words. Casey, what word did you write down?
Previous.
Will you tell me your definition of previous?
The one before the next.
The one before the next. Wow, that's actually an excellent definition. Do you have your dictionary written on the back of your other? Because that's pretty close to the real thing. Yeah, the one that comes before the next. Previous. Something that happened before something else. Very good. Your personal definition is correct. Now I'm going to give you, actually before we do that, before I give you a definition, I want you to use your word according to your definition. Now your definition may not be right, don't worry about it. I bet it is. Most of these words you guys are probably familiar with. Use your definition of the word to write that word in a sentence. If you have an incorrect definition of the word, what's that going to do to your sentence?
It's gonna make it sound hard.
Your sentence may not make sense according to the real definition of the word. But I'll fix that if that happens. Write a sentence using this word based on your definition. Does that make sense? Okay, go for it. Yes, sir.
I put one of mine down.
If you're wondering when you're going to get the dictionary definition, I'm going to come back to it. Okay, so just give me a minute.
Yeah,
I
'cause
put
I just do.
secure down, and my definition is when you feel safe.
When you feel safe. So now I need you to use the word secure in a sentence. Yes, ma'am.
That's
All right,
what
good.
can I try to?
Can I just give you another one?
Yes. Great.
You better not be using that for something.
Facebook.
I'm going to go around. I'm going to read some of these sentences while you're working. Give me 1 second.
oh, you want to read mine?
Here the word is secure. In his definition, he wrote, secure means safe, untouchable, in any way from an opponent. That's actually a very good definition. It's in your own words. I like that. Secure is the word. Here is his sentence. My money is secure. Very good. So that means your money is probably where?
Safe.
In a bank or in a safe. Very good. All right, let's see. Yes, ma'am. Region.